Hey guys, it's Amy with Aim to Plan, and I am back with another flip through of a new Spring 2021 release from the Happy Planner. So you can see here that this is one of the new books being released in 2021, Spring 2021 for the Happy Planner. This one's Indigo, and so that's actually kind of cool. It's just the one since it's the same word in multiple languages. Okay, so Indigo. So this is being released for Spring 2021. I did pick this up at Michael's, and so that's the only place that I know of for sure that it's going to be released. I will include in the description the SKU number and the link directly to this sticker book from the Michael's website. But I'll also let you know that at the date of me publishing this video, I was able to pick this up early, so it's being it was released to my Michael's even before it was announced by the Happy Planner. So if you are watching this video early on, then just keep in mind that it's just limited right now in terms of the release because it just was released ahead of schedule. But I think that this will be something that's widely available. So just be patient if you're looking for this book specifically. All right, so again, this is Indigo. It has 500 pieces in here. And you can see already what it's kind of like, but it's the blue themed sticker book. And I'm really excited about it. Blue is not my favorite color. Purple obviously is, but I'm really excited to have these just be one single color. Maybe in the future we'll get some similar things where we're releasing just a single color and keeping that color pattern. That'd be really exciting. Okay, Happy Planner, I hope you hear me. All right, so this one says check it off, and these are just little checklist boxes that you can use, right? And some little buttons. I don't know what you call those, but I call them buttons, right? And again, some functional boxes here that you can use. In the blue theme. This is kind of like a tie-dye pattern, you know, and so that's really cool. I like that, right? These say today and then an appointment in the middle. Right, again, just blue functional boxes, and again, that kind of tie-dye, blue tie-dye pattern. Focus on the good, create your own sunshine. All right, these are so pretty. Make your dreams happen. And again, more functional. This one's reading very functional to me. I love this. I just love a good functional colorful box, right? So this is that, right? Colorful boxes and then some functional kind of flag type boxes. That's really cute. And then right here again, do all the things, and then appointment. More of my fave. Then washi strips here, which are super cute. More functional boxes. I love this, right? It has the pattern for this book in there. So that's really cute. Right, I love this one. This one is like a light blue. That's really cute. I love that one. Today, and then meeting, do all the things. Look how cute this one is. Okay, this reminds me of one of the Colorful Boxes releases. Was it Colorful Boxes? Anyway, it had the kind of this style in there. Right, another page of that with just slightly different colors, I think. Right, and then here's some headings with, again, that kind of tie-dye effect. A whole page of just blue, headings, labels, right? And then this one is a darker blue with, I would say copper foiling. It looks like copper, right? I think this would go perfectly with Year to Shine. If you have Year to Shine, which had a lot of blues in it, this book would pair nicely with that one, right? This one is more washi strips, again, with the copper foiling in it, and then more washi. Here are today to-do stickers. Again, these are functional. They are meant to go into the boxes. So it's not, there's not a full border around there, but it is a box that fits into the vertical boxes in the Happy Planner Classic. And then here is this longer strip with top priorities, and then some decorative boxes for you. All right, and then again, copper foiling, some more functional boxes. All right, this is a very functional book. Super awesome. We always need more function, I think. It's cute, but functional, right? So again, some more flags, and then some space for you to write, but be very cute at the same time. I love it. Okay, so to do, again, with these buttons. What do you call these? Leave a comment if you have a different term for it. I just call them buttons, right? Here's work with a space for you to write your hours, I'm assuming, and then day off, payday stickers. Again, copper foiling. Oh, this is cute. These are big circles. Love that. Right, here's some more functional boxes. And again, these big circles. This is the first time I've seen this circle be this quite this big in the Happy Planner. Those are cute. I love those. Okay, so that is Indigo. All right. How cute is that? All right. Again, I'm not a huge fan of blue, but the blues in here are really pretty. They're like a darker shade. There's a mix of dark and light. So I think it's really like a functional kind of mix for people, especially if you love blue. And this just gives me hope that in the future there'll be like an all purple book, which is my favorite color. So hopefully the Happy Planner hears that. Please, all purple. Something very similar to this. I would love that. Okay, so if you are a fan of blue, let me know. I hope you're able to pick up this book if you are a fan, because I feel like it would be perfect for you. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. And until the next video, bye!